Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the basics of Canva video editing. Whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you get started. Let's dive in. First, click on the videos and choose any template you want. Canva offers different resolutions, so pick the one that suits your project. We'll use this resolution for now. Next, upload your video file by choosing your clip from your computer, or you can search in Elements option and select any video. After uploading your video, drag it to the timeline and resize the clip to fit the page. You can control the preview from here. Click on this icon to select page or thumbnail. If you want to resize the timeline, then select thumbnail and drag here to zoom in or zoom out on the timeline. You can edit video by clicking Edit Video option. Here you can apply filters or use different tools. In Adjust tab, drag the slider under each setting to adjust them or adjust setting automatically by clicking Auto Adjust. If you want to split the clip, right-click on it and select Split Page. Let's split it again. If you need to delete a section, just click Delete Page or hit Delete key on the keyboard. Click plus sign to add another page, to add another clip. To crop the video, just select the clip and crop it as you want. You can also change the background color or add an image to the background. You can also use another video as an overlay. Go to Element, type Overlay, select any one, resize it and adjust the transparency. Now let's add some text. Click Text and add your desired text. You can change the font and color and shadow or other given effects. If you want the text to appear at a specific part of the clip, click on the text, select Show Timing and set the timing. To animate the text, click on it, then select to animate. Here you get many animation styles. Try it and choose any animation you like. This works the same for elements. Add any element you want, resize it, place it where you want, and control the timing and animation. Now let's see how to add audio. To add audio to your video, upload your audio files or search audio in Element and drag it to the timeline. You can control the volume of audio. If you want to mute the audio, just click on the video, then click this icon and lower the volume, or click this icon to mute. You can add fade in and fade out effects also. If your video has music or voice that you want to extract or separate from video, then click on the video and select Extract Audio. This separates the audio from the video. To add a transition between the two clips, click Add Transition and choose the one you want. You can also play two videos on the same page by cropping video and adjust them as shown to play simultaneously. You can use frames to place your video in a circle or any other shape. Drag your video and place it inside the frame. To save your file to device, click Share, select MP4 Quality and then click Download. Hope you understand the basics of Canva video editing. Thanks for watching.